welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a polygel set, quite a colourful one. I've been wanting to use one of my new glitters, so I'm using this from Glitter Stella. It's called Fantasy. I'm using my pink Moravan polygel set, pink Moravan polygel out of my Moravan polygel set. So I'm using the base coat from the set as well. I'm going to give all my nails a quick base coat and then I'll cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Gosh, it's going to be one of them days, isn't it? Right, I'm using my 91% alcohol, polygel brush, spatula tool. I'm going to be putting on this pinky and the middle finger, I'm going to be doing a bit of a nail bed. Yeah, so I'll keep this pinky quite slow in real time, pretty much. So yeah, I'm just going to get it. Oh, what I do first with my polygel nail beds, and if I'm doing a full cover of the nail, I always start at the cuticle and just tuck it in nice and neat at the cuticle area. Get it. You don't want it too bulky, and then I'll concentrate on the rest of the nail. With these nail beds as well, you don't need to worry about getting them too crisp and too neat, because you'll see afterwards, I go in with the file and do all that, crisping it up and neatening it up with the file afterwards. But just get it the best you can before you cure it. Yeah, and then I'm going to cure this in the lamp 60 seconds. So I'll let you watch this and I will be back. Right, as you can see there, I'm just using a file and I'm just neatening up that nail bed. Get them walls really nice and straight. And then once I've got the edges straight, I'll just give it a buff over the top to get that nice and smooth as well. And then I'm just going to dust off all that dust, and then you can just check that it's all straight and all neat. I was really happy with this nail bed. It's probably the neatest one I've ever done, actually. I am getting better with them. The more I do them, the better I'm getting. So there's the glitter in all its glory. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. So again, I'm using the Moravan base coat. I'm going to be putting this glitter into the wet base coat. What I do with chunky glitters like this, I'll just use a small brush, like a detailer brush, and just place all the chunky bits on the nail where I want them, and then I'll fill all the gaps with the small bits. Right, that's both of them glitter nails being cured in the lamp. Been dying to use these gel polishes. This is a brand called Angmile that I got off Amazon, and it's a neon set. I have done a video on it if you want to go and check it out. I've done a swatch video. It's a set of 6 colours. So I'm using the pink out of that set, and I'm just going around the edge of this nail bed, round like the side wall of it with the pink. And I'm going to do the same on the pinky, but I'm going to use the orange one on the pinky. Right, again, that's them bits of colour, the pink and the orange, I've cured them in the lamp. And same as I did with the other glitter nails, I'm going to cover the rest of these nails in the glitter. So there, again, I'm just giving it a coat of base coat. I'll put the glitter into that wet base coat, and then they'll get cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, I'm going to get these nails encapsulated now. I'm using the clear, it's called Pure, the Moravan clear. Can I just say as well, I am so impressed with this clear. I just hope that they sell this in tubes, individual tubes, because it's the clearest polygel I've ever used. I absolutely love it. You'll see at the end, it's just like Builder Gel clear, crystal clear. I love it. So yeah, these are all going to get encapsulated now, cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'll give them a quick file and buff off camera to smooth them all out. Right, that's them all filed and buffed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around the edges of them glitter nails with the same colours that I put on the nail beds, and just put a bit of border around them, and then I'll get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right guys, that's them more or less finished. We're just going to give them all a top coat now. I've pulled out a couple of little gems as well. I'm going to put on the middle finger, just a pink one and an orange one. I'm just going to stick them into the top coat on the middle finger, and that'll be the set finished. Right guys, that's them all finished. Look how clear that polygel is. It looks like builder gel. Super, super clear. I hope I can buy that in individual tubes because I love it. I'm so impressed with that clear polygel. Nice bright set. I was going to do this in pastel colours, but I thought, nope. I've been dying to use this set of neon gel polishes that I got. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.